Hello everyone, this is me Saurav Avasthi, English faculty of Maulitra G School, Jhansi. Today we are going to continue with the part 1 of Santosh Yadav of the chapter Reach on the Top, where we completed about the summary of the chapter in our previous video along with the introduction of Santosh Yadav, the leading character of the story. So now we are going to study about the value points of the chapter related to Santosh Yadav, who is the main leading character of the story of part 1 of Reaching on the Top. So let's begin. Santosh Yadav is one of the few women in the world to have climbed the Mount Everest twice. She first climbed the peak in May 1992 and then did it again in May 1993, that means after 1 year once again. She was born in 1969 in Rewari district of Haryana state in India and is an officer in Indo-Tibetan border police. Now, she is an alumnus of Maharani College, Jaipur. Living in Kasturba Hostel, she joined Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. While studying, she prepared herself to climb two greatest peaks in life, namely mountaineering and Indian civil services, and the main thing was that she was successful in both of them. She prepared for her IAS exams in a hostel provided by Indian Mountaineering Federation at Connaught Place, New Delhi. Her brother is an officer in the Indian Army. She was also conferred Padma Shri Award in 2000. So by going through the value points, you can imagine that how determined she was and how wonderful lady she was. Now we are going to study about the theme of the chapter. Reach for the Top is based on the theme that success comes to those who dare and do. This theme runs throughout the account of Santosh Yadav's education, training and success as a woman mountaineering in a country where discrimination against women is rampant. So here she proved everyone wrong and she told everyone that women can do everything which a man can do. So here, after then, Santosh defied all odds, customs, traditions and prejudices to script her phenomenal success through hard work. Persistent effort, focus on the goal, and mental and physical toughness. Santosh has really reached the highest top that a woman mountaineer could reach. Not just once but twice. She is a wonderful lady and a wonderful role model to emulate. So here we can see that how she proved and how she lead her life. Now coming to the title of the story, here the title Reach for the Top is an appropriate title for the biographical feature on Santosh Yadav, both literally and metaphorically. Means the mountain top, especially of Mount. The top here not only Everest but also the pinnacle of glory. Santosh reached both the tops with Ellen thanks to her sterling qualities of body and mind, and thanks also to the training and support she received. Reach for the top as an imperative phrase gives a call to the readers to do their best and strive to achieve excellence and glory in their own area of interest. Through hard work, persistent efforts, the constancy of purpose, strong will, and meticulous planning. Now, the message given in the story. Reach for the top conveys the message that one must set one's eyes on the stars and strive hard to achieve the goal. Through hard work, determination, and constant and persistent efforts. Instead of complaining against the ills in society, one can dare to change the systems and shape one's own destiny. And once one has achieved great heights, one must shoulder the responsibility to achieve success and glory in their own areas of interest, just like Santosh Yadav has done. So here students, this was the message now, and I hope that you must have understood the story very well. And now we are going through the homework, that means the solutions of the questions given in an NCERT. So let's go through that also. So the first question is going to be, why was the holy man who gave Santosh's mother his blessings surprised? The answer will be, the holy man who gave Santosh's mother his blessings was surprised because her grandmother sought blessings for a daughter. In the society, most of the people ask the seers to bless for a son, but here it was totally opposite. So now the next question is, give an example to show that even as a young girl, Santosh was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. So here the answer is, she used to wear shorts and not the traditional dresses meant for girls. So this is an example which shows that even as a young girl, Santosh was not ready to accept anything unreasonable. Now, why was Santosh sent to the local school? And the answer is, she was sent to the local school in line with the prevailing custom in the family. Now the fourth question is, when did she leave home for Delhi and why? So she left home for Delhi to get proper education. She was 16 at that time. So here she wants an education. That's why she left her home for Delhi. Now coming to the fifth question, and the fifth question is, why did Santosh's parents agree to pay for her schooling in Delhi? What mental qualities of Santosh are brought into light by this incident? Here the answer is, her parents got ready because she informed them of her plans to earn money by working part-time to pay her school fees. So due to which parents got worried and they said that she don't have to work anywhere. They are ready to pay her schooling in Delhi. Now this is part 2, where I have given again few questions which you have to go through them and you have to complete the answers in your notebook. How did Santosh begin to climb mountains? She wished to climb mountains when she watched villagers from her room going up the hill and suddenly vanishing after a while. One day she decided to check it out herself. She found nobody except a few mountaineers. Later she saved money and enrolled in a course at Uttarkashi's Nehru Institute of Mountaineering. Then she began climbing mountains every year. So this was first answer. Now the second question is, what incidents during the Everest expedition show Santosh's concern for her teammates? Santosh tried to save a fellow climber but was unsuccessful at it. Later, she was successful in saving the life of a fellow climber named Mohan Singh by sharing her oxygen cylinder with him. Otherwise, Mohan has also he would have died. But here, this shows that she was concerned for her teammates and finally she was successful in saving his life. This was question 2. Now question number 3. What shows her concern for the environment? Now here she did a special task. Now here you can see in the answer, she brought down 500 kilograms of garbage. Now you can just imagine 500 kilograms from the Himalayas. This shows her concern for the environment. Now here you can see that 500 kilogram is not a small amount, and what she did for the nature, that means. So now this was question number 3. Now question number 4. How does she describes her feelings at the summit of the Everest? Santosh was full of happiness and pride when she was literally on top of the world. As she unfurled the Indian flag, she felt proud of being an Indian. It was a spiritual moment for that girl over there when she was standing at the top of the mountain. So this was answer number 4. Now question number 5. Santosh Yadav got into the record books both times she scaled Mount Everest. What were the reasons for this? So the answer is, the first time when Santosh climbed the Everest, she became the youngest woman to scale the Everest. And when she climbed it the second time, she became the first woman in the world to have climbed the Everest twice. So now she is the first lady who have climbed the mountain 2 times in this world. So now these were question answers now. Now your homework is to read part 1 of Santosh Yadav thoroughly and to complete the textual questions which are given in the book, as well as you can find out few more questions and can complete in the notebook. So thank you so much. That's enough for today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay at home. Thank you so much.